Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Google Colab. In this tutorial we will learn how to use Google Colab for machine learning and data science. So Google Colab, or Colab for short, is the best way to get started with artificial intelligence and data science. All the major library and tools are already pre-installed and preset up for you. So instead of spending time searching for how to install a new software, you can get up and running with coding your data science and artificial intelligence code with Google Colab. You can write, run, and share Python code in your browser, which allows you to use either your laptop or your phone without any configuration. You can immediately share your code with anyone with a sample link, and everything you do in Colab will be saved under your Google account, so you can access and share them just like the rest of your files under your Google Drive. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with Colab. First thing you want to do is to search for Google Colab. We have here colab.research.google.com, so let's go into. So first thing you see when come the website, your recent notebooks. We have here welcome to Collaboratory, and before anything else you should to go ahead and create a new notebook. We can see here the title of our notebook, so you can rename this notebook for what you want. So let's try to change it, for example, together. When you took a look at Google Colab, the first thing we will see here is a code cell. So you can try to enter a variable x equals 3, and to execute the code, just press the play button to the left of the code. We have here tables of contents and variables and files. So here we just wait for the variables to execute. So let's see. Okay. All the variables that you define in one cell can later be used in other cells. So let's try to enter another value equals 6 plus 4. So let's print the result. We can delete this cell from here. And we can use a code here or a text anywhere you want. Let's try to use another code. Okay, let's see here. We have just one directory here, name it sample data. So let's try to add a new directory. Okay, name it, for example, first. Okay. We have here a new directory. Let's try to create another one. Hello. And for remove it, you can click here and you can rename this folder or copy the path or delete the folder. Let's try to delete it. We can also list directory content by this command ls. We have here just two, first and sample data, and to show your current directory, just press like that, pwd. Okay, we can also create hello there. Let's see here, just you have like that. We can modify it like that. So let's try use another one. For example, here, let's see, just below this one. So I'm gonna give you a link that help you to discover more and more and can use it. So let's try to visit docs.scrappy.org. We have here all the steps and all the code. Okay, let's try to take the code and use it. Okay. So before anything, all the list. Before that, we'll have all the version with all the package. Okay, now let's try to install pip install Scrappy. Okay, it's working. Now let's try to create a new Scrappy from here, or okay, let's try. Just click like right and new file, or like that. Write file. For example, name it hello.py. Okay, done. Let's see it. We have here hello. This is the code. Let's try to run this Scrappy. This is the command, just a little modify. Scrappy, the name of our Scrappy, hello. For example, I just okay, we have here all the editor with all the text and tags. You can save your new book in Drive or in your GitHub. So you can also change the runtime or accelerate the hardware to T4 GPU or TPU. And for share your link, just click here and click here for changing to anyone with a link and copy this link. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching that.